Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my YouTube channel RM Learning. In this video, we will see Manasik-e-Hajj. Manasik-e-Hajj. This picture is showing different points where pilgrims visit to perform Manasik-e-Hajj. Manasik-e-Hajj, also known as the rites of Hajj, refers to the specific rituals and acts of worships performed by Muslims during the annual pilgrimage to Makkah, known as Hajj. These rites are integral to the Hajj experience and hold significant spiritual importance for Muslims worldwide. The Manasik-e-Hajj consists of several key rituals, each symbolizing different aspects of faith, obedience, and submission to Allah. Following are the Manasik-e-Hajj. Number 1. Ihram. 2. Tawaf al-Qudum. Number 3. Sa'i. Number 4. Camping in Mina. Number 5. Wukuf at Arafat. Number 6. Spending night in Muzdalifah. Number 7. Rami al-Jamrat. Number 8. Sacrificing animals. Number 9. Halq or Taksir. Number 10. Tawaf al-Ifada and Sa'i. Number 11. Tawaf al-Wida. Now we will see the explanation of these Manasik-e-Hajj. Ihram. Pilgrims wear simple white garments showing they are ready for the pilgrimage. Tawaf al-Qudum. Pilgrims perform tawaf walking around the Kaaba in Makkah 7 times, showing devotion to Allah. Sa'i. After tawaf, pilgrims perform Sa'i, which involves walking back and forth between the hills of Safa and Marwa 7 times. This ritual commemorates the actions of Hazrat Hajra radhiyallahu anha, the wife of Prophet Ibrahim alayhi salam, who ran between the hills in search of water for her son Hazrat Ismail alayhi salam, following Allah's guidance. Camping, staying in Mina. On the 8th of Zulhijjah, the pilgrims stay at Mina, about 7 miles from Makkah. This stay is known as Yawm al-Tarwiyah. Wukuf at Arafat. The most important ritual of Hajj takes place on the 9th day of the Islamic month of Zulhijjah, when pilgrims gather at the plain of Arafat, asking for forgiveness and mercy from Allah. Muzdalifah. After sunset on the day of Arafat, pilgrims spend the night in Muzdalifah under the open sky, collecting stones for a symbolic stoning ritual. Rami al-Jamrat. Throwing stones at 3 pillars representing Shaitan, locating in Mina. This ritual symbolizes the rejection of evil and temptation. Pilgrims throw pebbles at the pillars, following the example of Prophet Ibrahim alayhi salam, who stoned Shaitan when he tried to dissuade him from obeying Allah's command. Sacrificing animal. After stoning the pillars, pilgrims perform the symbolic act of sacrificing an animal, usually a sheep or goat, commemorating Prophet Ibrahim alayhi salam's willingness to sacrifice his son Ismail in obedience to Allah's command. The meat from the sacrifice is distributed among the needy. Halq or Taksir. Following the sacrifice, pilgrims shave their heads, Halq, or trim their hair, Taksir, symbolizing a renewal of their commitment to Allah and humility before Him. Tawaf al-Ifada and Sa'i. Pilgrims return to the Kaaba in Makkah to perform another Tawaf and Sa'i known as Tawaf al-Ifada as part of the Hajj rituals. Tawaf al-Wida. Before leaving Makkah, pilgrims perform a farewell Tawaf around the Kaaba known as Tawaf al-Wida, expressing their gratitude to Allah for the opportunity to perform Hajj and bidding farewell to the sacred city. Thanks for watching. Please do like and subscribe RM Learning.